Driving around with eyesight, I find that it actually responds faster than I do sometimes.
Advancing safety is about anticipating danger before it arrives. That's why Subaru developed Eyesight Driver Assist technology, one of the first safety systems of its kind. It can watch the road and help protect you if the unpredictable happens. With pre-collision braking, Eyesight can help when it becomes crucial to stop. In an emergency situation, when Eyesight senses an obstacle ahead, pre-collision braking can alert you and automatically apply the brakes. And while similar systems can slow your vehicle too, pre-collision braking can even bring you to a full stop if necessary. That's how Subaru inspires peace of mind.
Combined with Subaru's overall safety, for a family car, I don't think you can find anything better.
So why Eyesight? For some, it's advanced technology that can help bring you to a full stop. For others, it's like having an extra set of eyes on the road. Subaru Eyesight. It's about always looking ahead.